What's going on, everybody? This is Andre from Start to Finish Podcasting, and today I'm at a park. I'm at a park because I live across the street from a park, and I just wanted to test the GoPro camera, and I wanted to test the wireless Go microphone that I have. So I'm here at the park, not trying to filter anything out. You may hear some kids screaming, you may hear some cars coming past, hear kids having fun, and that's cool. I want to test the microphone just to see how it is and just to see how it works and see if it's good quality, which I already think it is, but I just wanted to test it out for everybody else and just to see how it works. I wanted to test my GoPro out. I have the GoPro 8. There is the GoPro 7 and the GoPro 9 and the GoPro 6. I think there's a 5. I think go down to 4, just keeps going. But I have the 8. The 8 is pretty good. The 7 is also good, and the 9 is good too. So 7, 8, and 9, you can't go wrong. The 7 has a few features that the GoPro 8 doesn't have, but then the GoPro 8 has a lot of features that the 7 may not have in terms of video quality and things of that nature, different options. But I want to talk about this wireless microphone. This wireless microphone that I have right here is called the Rode Wireless Go. This microphone runs about $199, and it does good. It does good. It's a two-piece microphone where it has a transmitter, which is what I have here, and a receiver, which is connected to the GoPro camera right now. And it's a wireless microphone. And the good thing about it is, for as long as the transmitter and the receiver are in the same view, and there's nothing obstructing the signal between the two, I can move around, I can go anywhere, and it'll still pick up this microphone signal, so you'll still hear it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So I can move around anywhere in here, and you'll still hear me. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so right now, I'm about 5 yards away. All right, moving back. Now I'm about 10 yards away. You should still be able to hear me. When the signal gets bad, it'll get choppy. So if I just go like, if I say, hello, my name is Andre, if the signal is bad, that hello, my name is Andre will sound like this. Hello, name, Andre. So it would sound like that. So if you're still hearing me and it's not choppy, then the signal is still good. And I know for a fact that it's probably still good because this thing goes pretty far. I think it goes about 200 meters, which is more than enough for me. I'm not going to be that far away from a camera, but I'm going to move back just to give you an example of how far I can go. So right now, moving back. All right, and you should still be able to see me. All right, you should still be able to see me. I would say I'm about 50 yards away. I'm about 50 yards away. I can move around here. I'm gonna move back just a little bit. I don't want to fall, because if I fall, I don't want y'all laughing at me. So right here, I'm still in lines of sight between the transmitter on me and the receiver on the GoPro. If I turn to the side, the volume may go down, so I'm gonna do that. So right now I'm turning to the side, and it's probably you can't hear me as well as you can hear me now that I'm facing forward. So I'm gonna move back just a little bit more. I think I'm still in line with the signal, so you should still be able to hear me. I'm pretty far back, and I can go back twice this space, and I think it still will pick me up. This thing picks up from a huge distance, and that's what I like about this microphone. So even if you're doing yoga, I'm gonna walk back now. Even if you're doing some type of yoga or fitness instruction, having one of these, and that's another thing, being that the pandemic has stopped some people from working. If you're a yoga instructor or video instructor, you can do this at your home and have people log in online, and you can put this on you and use it as a microphone and do your yoga and your fitness instruction. So I'm moving around. The audio is still sounding the same, still sounding good. I recommend this particular microphone because for $199, it may sound like a lot, but it is relatively cheap for what you get. So I like the microphone. It does well. The GoPro is pretty decent. It has 4K, which is a good quality microphone. I'm not sorry, a good quality microphone. A good quality picture quality. So 4K is like the top of the line. And then you have 2K, then you have 1080p, and then you have 720p. 720p is what Facebook uses to stream, which I don't like 720p because it's not as clear as 1080p, 2K, and 4K. All right, so 4K is like that ultimate plan from cable. Like, you know, you get all the channels with 4K. 2K, you get some of the channels. And, you know, 1080p, you'll get, you know, your basic channels. With 720p, not so good. But look, I just wanted to share this with you. I have the GoPro Hero 8 camera, and I have the wireless Go microphone from Rode. Works great. If you want to check it out, hit me up. I'll tell you where to get it from. But it works good. Just wanted to share this with you guys, and hopefully you'll, you know, you can get it for yourself. If you go live on Facebook, you know, you can use this just to move around and stuff. You don't have to have a mic. So easy to set up. Everything is, you know, pretty easy to set up, and it's cool. So thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for helping me with this test in the park. I appreciate you. Be safe. Thank you. Love y'all all. Peace.